time on the Happy House, we are with Liz Heineke, one of my favorite scientists because she's so fun. Liz, you're so fun.
I am? Yay!
And we have two junior lab assistants. Actually, they probably know more than me. I'm just along for the ride, but
I think they know more than me, actually.
so we are going to do an experiment today, and honestly, I have no idea what it is. So teach me. Teach us.
Okay, this project is called Vegetable Vampires. Can you guys say vampires?
Vampires.
So what do you think that plants drink? Something we drink? Something
Water.
in water, yeah. Plants drink water. But how do you think they suck it up?
Roots.
Yes, they suck it up from the, see, she's smart. They suck it up through the ground, through their roots, and then they carry it up into their leaves using something called capillary action. Can you say capillary?
Capillary
Action.
Action.
Oh, you got it. That's fantastic.
What exactly is a capillary?
A capillary is a long, thin tube, and plant cells are actually long and thin. And physical forces, water molecules like to stick to each other. So physical forces allow the plants to draw the water up through these long, thin cells.
Okay.
So this is called capillary action. And we can observe this by using a Napa cabbage. Does this look delicious? They're pretty good in salad, actually.
That looks delicious to me, honestly.
Yeah.
I'm kind of a veggie nerd, though. I like veggies a lot.
Yeah, they're super delicious. And this, the cool thing about these is they're really light colored, right? So if we put food coloring down here in some water, we can watch the plant drink up the food coloring. But first what we have to do, so parental supervision required with this, I'm gonna do it. We're gonna cut this off at the bottom. We're gonna give this cabbage a fresh cut. You can see I put a rubber band around the top to hold it together. And then I'm actually gonna cut it right down in the middle. So I'm dividing these leaves into two parts, right? So now this one piece of cabbage, this one cabbage plant can drink up two different colors of water, right? And I'm gonna put a rubber band on each of these. Now what I would like for you guys to do while I do this is put a bunch of food coloring. You can have blue and you can have red. Put a bunch of food coloring in this water for our plant to drink up.
And this just pops off. It seems like it should twist, but it's
Yeah, it pops off. And you need a lot, so you'll be able to see it. If the water's just pink, you can't really see it very well.
more is more.
More is more. Okay, more. And kids love food coloring, right?
Who doesn't?
They can't get enough.
Yeah.
When I say put 1 drop in, usually kids put about 4.
Is that
So,
good?
yep, you can put about 20 drops, couple more.
Ooh. This
Okay,
blue is
so
shaping up over
How
here.
fast do you think the plant's gonna drink up the water?
I don't know. Maybe sort of slow.
Do you think so? Well, we're gonna test that. So let's put.
Do you think fast?
Fast? Do you think it would drink it up in 1 hour or 1 day? All the way from the bottom to the top. Bottom to the top. How long do you think it would take?
An hour.
Okay, well, we're gonna test that. So what we're gonna do, but first I think our vampires need some eyes. What do you think?
For sure.
So you can use red peppers and olives and whatever you want and decorate your vampire faces. But what you guys are gonna do is each of you is going to stick toothpicks. We're gonna add a couple eyes to our vampires. So here you go. Can you stick that through there? Here you go. Here's another one. Okay, so this actually does take a little bit longer. Usually you get the best results overnight.
Okay.
So once you get the eyes on, that looks awesome. Okay, let's put your other eye on.
It's perfect. Nice.
You just have 2 Tupperware containers. I'm gonna put them so they can be kind of tight together. Fantastic. We are gonna put our vampires into the 2 different colors of water, and we are gonna let them drink. Now, you can also look at it from the other side. It's a little harder to see because the leaves are darker. Is it drinking it up right away? Can you see it going up yet?
No.
No, it takes a little while. But if you leave your vampires overnight, Happy, can you show us
Yes.
our overnight vampires that do not have eyes on them?
They don't. We should maybe stick some eyes on these.
Yeah, so you can see, girls, can you see how the blue has gone all the way up from down here, all the way to the very tops of the leaves?
That is so cool.
Isn't that cool? So you can try this with flowers. Honestly, I've had the best luck with Napa cabbage. I've tested lots of different things, but let your kids, what else could you try this with? What other plants do you think you could try this with? Like white daisies? Do you think you could make the leaves turn blue? What other colors could you try?
Colors for food coloring?
Yeah.
Maybe
Could you use green?
or green.
Green would be kind of hard to see, wouldn't it? But orange is a great idea.
Yeah. Or you could. It'd be cool to mix blue and red to make what? What do blue and red make?
Purple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm quizzing you today, aren't
Yeah.
I?
So this is a lot of fun because kids can learn. It's biology, right? Do you know what biology is? It's the science of things that are alive. So plants are alive, animals are alive. So this is a biology experiment that teaches you about plant cells. And let's say it one more time. One, capillary action. Say it loud.
Capillary action.
This was lots of fun. This would be cool to have out at like a Halloween party or something too.
I made this up as a Halloween project.
Did you?
Yep, yep.
Liz, this was so fun. I just want to let people know that this experiment and lots more, so this experiment is in this book,
Yeah.
your first book, and lots more experiments are in this outdoor book. And it's so easy to make science accessible to kids and also the parents, because I think oftentimes parents are the ones who think it's going to be hard.
It's easier than baking cookies. Most of these projects are, so don't be afraid.
No, it's so great and so easy. Thank you so much for coming here and also, honestly, writing these books to make science accessible to everyone.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Oh, taste.
I've learned from the best science teacher ever.
Who?
At school?
Oh!
Nah.
Did you hear that?
That's so sweet.
I learned from the best science teacher ever, and she said at school. She was, yeah, all right.
All right.
Okay. Coming up next on the Happy House, we're back in the kitchen. Pigeon. Or pigeon.
The pigeon.
Yeah. Okay.